Today we're gonna bring a chef's knife. We're gonna go into little details on the knife itself, the beautiful little details that it has, and we're gonna talk about what else is included in the package. But first of all, I want to let you guys know that the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it and see what you get. You get the knife, the piece of resistance, and if you guys notice the actual details on it, and off the box it is real sharp, so just be careful on it. It does come with a plastic point. I just removed it so you guys can see it, but look at the details of the actual knife. And right off the box, I recommend you guys wash it because it does contain dust because of the box of packaging. So we'll put this on the side. And they also include kitchen scissors, if you guys see. Now, compared to my other scissors, they're both waterproof. You can put them in the actual dishwasher. So these are actually perfect, if you guys can see. And on top of that, they have a little actual lock in here that unlocks it, if you guys can see, because it's for child safe. But to begin with, it has a sharp point too. So if you want to put any kind of ingredients in any kind of meats, you can do that. Compared to my scissors from the kitchen, these are not dishwasher safe. They have this plastic handle and plastic setups, and this is all stainless steel metal, so you guys could put this in the dishwasher, easy to set up. And like I said, it comes with the actual lock that you have in here, so you could cut meat and other products. But it's a plus that they give you 2 items for 1. So not just the beautiful kniff, if you guys can see the handle itself,